Hey everybody, I'm in the process of starting a new channel on YouTube, and I will be doing hot chili challenges and things like that. Um, but I don't actually know if I can do them, so I thought, well, for my first one, I'll try something that's baby steps, if you like, just to see what it's like. So all I've done is been to my local store and I've got bird's eye chillies. And what I intend to do is, just to let you know, I had a look to see how hot they were, and apparently a bird's eye chilli is between 50,000 and 100,000 Scovilles. So it's not one of your super hots. I do intend to get that far one day, but for now, like I say, it's baby steps. So it's hotter than a jalapeno, but it's not, hopefully not going to blow my head off. So my challenge that I've set myself is I'm going to try and eat the whole packet in 10 minutes, and then I've seen on other challenges that once you've finished your last one, you've got to wait 5 minutes before you have a drink to cool yourself down. So I'm going to do that as well. Unfortunately though, I can't stand milk. I'm not allergic to it or anything, I just don't like the taste. So I will be using banana flavoured milk to cool myself down, but that won't be till 5 minutes after I've eaten the last one. So I'm going to give myself 10 minutes to eat the full bag of bird's eye chillies. I don't know how many there are, let's tip them out. That's all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I didn't realise there were that many. Hey ho, I said I'll do it now, so I'll do it. Right, 10 minutes as of now. Let's see what they're like.
Oh.
They're quite fruity. And they're quite hot.
I couldn't be laughing.
That's number one. I've still got 15 to go yet. Whoa. I don't know why you're laughing, because you're going to try one of the others after. I do like chilies. And I'm so glad I started this before I went for the death nut. I do intend to build up to the death nut. Johnny Scoville's Tube of Terror, who, by the way, is a bit of a hero of mine. Wow. Yeah. I mean, I understand that 50 to 100,000 Scovilles for a seasoned chili head is nothing. But to me, I'm feeling this. And I've only had one. I'm already over a minute. I'll have to be eating them quicker than this. Oh my word. They are tasty, but by my tongue is on fire. There you go. I do some stupid things, mate.
Are they all that heat then? Are they all the same?
Oh yeah. Well, one day I'll be eating the death nut, and all this will be a dim and distant memory. I wouldn't mind. Just over there, I'm growing ghost chilies. Oh,
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
What are we on?
I was going to put it on video.
No. I should have got some kitchen roll.
I can't get you any.
These are hot. Oh man. I'm beginning to wish I'd started with jalapenos. Oh. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, so I thought I would easily do this in 10 minutes. But the worst thing is, I've still got another 5 minutes to wait when I finish this. If I can cool down. I'm nearly halfway and all. I best get eating.
Your eyes are streaming.
I know. 7 left.
Oh.
So I'm just over halfway. And I've got just over 5 minutes left. Oh man. The things we do for fun. Oh. I honestly didn't think that they were going to be this hot. And you seasoned chili heads are thinking, what's he doing? What a wimp. They're only 100,000 Scovilles. And who'd have thought it? Oh, well. Look at my eyes. Oh, right. Compose yourself. Right now, this bottle of milk seems a long way off. It's getting my throat, my tongue is burning. My tonsils are going like that. And right now I'm thinking, what an idiot. And I've got less than 4 minutes left. How could I eat these? Oh. And I haven't got a chuck bucket.
Oh, what?
But
Oh.
it's alright, it's your kitchen. Oh, now it's getting me in my stomach.
Oh, no.
Oh. I thought 10 minutes. What was it time? Oh man. Oh man. No, it's not the heat that's bothering me. It's the need to throw up.
Oh, no.
Oh. Oh. 2.5 minutes.
And you want me to try one of them?
I can't even swallow. Oh. 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 How long?
It's on 8 minutes.
Nearly 9.
Nearly 9.
2 left. Oh. Seemed like a good idea before I started. Oh.
I don't know how the others do it, what we've been watching.
Mr. Johnny Scoville, I take my hat off to you. How do you do it? 30 seconds to go. One more. I won't start the 5 minutes. There. I can't even function.
Oh, what?
I can't function. There, 5 minute countdown. Wow. I'm sorry, folks. I can't talk. And after this, my beautiful assistant's going to do it. "16 birds eye chillies in 10 minutes. And I'm on fire. I feel like I want to throw up. My tongue is throbbing. I want to burp, but I can't. Time has stood still. but I'm getting a buzz. Believe it or not, I'm buzzing. Oh. I am buzzing. Oh, wow. Oh. Can you see it?
Yeah.
One, two. My hands are tingling. My wrists are tingling. That is weird. Oh, that is weird. My hands. They're shaking.
You can see they are.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. My hands, it's weird, it is weird. They're tingling. Oh. Less than a minute. Oh, 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 oh. Excuse me.
27, 26, 25.
Well, this has been challenge number 1. I don't yet know whether there'll be a challenge number 2, but if there is, you'll see it. Five minutes. Oh, milk. That's so good. That is so good. Ah, 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 ah. Well, thank you for watching. That was my challenge number 1. I called that challenge Baby Steps, but it felt like a big baby step to me. That, whoa. Like to all you seasoned chilli heads out there, that'll have been nothing. And I will be like you guys one day, I will be. I'll have that tolerance that you've got. Can't even speak. But for now, thanks for watching. That was challenge number 1, over and well and truly out.